Looks an awful lot like a tornado to me. It is.
Yeah, it is.
That's fucking crazy. Oh, it's still going. Look at it. Holy shit. Is that a trampoline?
I think it is.
I think so. That's fucking crazy. I don't know how strong the one that's going to be. I think it's gone. You couldn't see it swirling in the air.